Once you finish writing out what is wealth to you, then write out. Now you can make it 2 sentences, 1 sentence, 5 sentences, eight, however you want. You can elaborate on it, right? This is your notes for you. And then this is the notes that you're going to hand down, of course, to your children, right? So what is wealth to you? What does wealth look like? And then what is legacy? What does building a legacy look like to you, for your family? Because you are the one who's going to break the chains, right? You're going to be the one that's breaking the chains, right? So what does this look like? Because in order for us to actually, or even move forward, we got to know what this actually looks like. What does the legacy of my family look like, right? What is the wealth of my family actually look like, right? So for me, the wealth of my family is making sure I have the knowledge. I have the knowledge so that I can go do the things that's needed to start building my foundation. What is my legacy? I want to have the knowledge so that I can go train and teach and instill into my children so that my children can have the knowledge, and then now they can compound on that knowledge. So if I give them some game, now they can go do their own research, learn more things, and then now when they have their children, they can now tell their children, right? So it's like a compound effect on knowledge, right? Knowledge is power, right? But applied knowledge, right, is the real key, to building. So write down what is wealth to you and what is legacy to you.